recording this, and we'll go straight to the presentation. Okay, now this is the presentation. We are going straight into the presentation. First and foremost, I would like to welcome all of you, including Mr. Benjamin. I think he's come here for the first time. Asif also joining us from Qatar, and my family members also are there. And we will go to the first slide. Okay, so what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn basically what is a niche. Okay, that is a very important thing, because a lot of times and a lot of questions have been coming up by our students in this community. What is a niche? Why we need to select our own niche? Why can't we have a you can say a multi niche segments in our business or in our product? So this is what I decided, like, let's tackle on this subject. And then we are going to, in this what is a niche, you're going to find out your micro niche using digital tools. This will be probably the next time, but we are going to help you in finding your micro niche. Then we are going to talk about landing page, why you should go for a landing page instead of a website. Now all the people will mostly recommend that we need to have a website. Well, that's a very good idea, nothing, but when you're just starting out, why should you choose a landing page and how to build it for free? So that is what we are going to consider, and we are going to do the video editing skills. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover today. So we'll go to the next slide. Okay, what is a niche? Okay, you must have heard about this niche. In simple words, what is a niche? It is a particular type of market in a market. Okay, it's a sub market or a subset of a market. It's a market in a market. Let me put it like that, a niche is a market in a market. Okay, and it is very important for us to identify this concept, because if we do not actually identify and learn this concept, then we will go the first step itself wrong into this business. Okay, so that is what we need to keep in mind. We need to identify who is our niche market. Okay, which is that group of people in the market that we are going to aim and target in order to sell our services, or also sell other people's services, which is called affiliate marketing. So this is what we have to understand. So in simple words, a niche is a market in a market. It's a particular group of people in a market that we are targeting. To give you an example, say for example, everybody wants to lose weight, but there are some people who want to lose, say, 50 pounds or 50 kilos. They are very fat. So a niche will go into that category. It will try to divide even among the people who want to lose their weight, who wants to lose them by maybe 10 kilos, who wants to lose by 20 kilos, who wants to lose weight just to look beautiful, who wants to lose weight for health. So niche, a micro niche, will go into that detail. So we will don't worry if you are finding it difficult to understand what is a niche, but as we go into the topic, you will be able to understand what is a niche. Okay, now what is the right niche? Okay, so we need to find out the right niche, because in today's market there are so many other niches there in the market, which if we enter into those niches, we can ruin our business, ruin our product or our service. So the general recommendation given is to avoid ultra competitive niches. Now there are, okay, so as we go, we will get clarification on that. Okay, the second recommendation is to avoid brand new niches. Now there is something which have just come, like Bitcoin or something has just come. You know, these are all new niches. So the general recommendation is to avoid these niches when we are starting our own business. Anything new, anything that has just come, you know, it's better to avoid it and be somewhere in the middle. Okay, so make sure you pick a niche that has already some sort of market. Say for example, health, weight loss. Okay, not many people are there. Then doing, you know, that weight loss thing. Then maybe coaching. You know, very few people, not many people are there. Digital marketers, not many few many people are there, because you have to learn skills. So very few people are there. So choose something which is in the middle. Okay, which is going up, which is a big market, and where many people are not there. Okay, is it clear, or are there any questions? You can ask me. Any questions, or can we go to the next?
Regard
Yeah, somebody.
regarding the yeah, Asif here.
Ah,
So
Asif,
regarding
yes.
the niche,
Yeah.
regarding the niche, as you told, a particular a component of the business, right?
Yeah.
Say for example, since I am from the fashion industries,
Hmm.
so we are particular into kurtis manufacturer.
Yeah.
So that is our niche, right?
Yes, that is your niche. Okay, now
Okay, and
your niche is, see, those people who wear those dresses, they are your niche, not the, you know, Westerners, or, you know, people who prefer
yes,
models, or
the,
that, they are
the
not your
age
niche.
criteria is there.
Yes.
Hmm.
So it's a subsection. So maybe among doctors, it is also, say for example, it is only the heart patients. Okay, or among doctors,
Hmm.
it is only the dentist. Okay,
Hmm.
among the doctors, it is only the, you know, what is that, pathologist. So
Hmm.
it is basically, you know, a subset of the market. Okay, so we need to find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to find out, Asif, who is our market. Okay, who is our customer. Okay, who is our target customer. Once we find out that, then we can go ahead. Okay, so any more
Yeah, as you
questions?
have mentioned,
Yeah, tell Asif, share.
as you have mentioned that we have to focus on the particular, like how to the out of the crowd, the competitive thing. So
Yeah,
as what I have experienced is the moment when we say as a passion is the most competitive thing, because in that you if you are a newcomer, it's very hard to survive as a new brand.
yeah.
So as we have as you are right, as we have noticed that there are limited the specifically kurtis, so we started focusing on that and we found that positive results. So
Exactly.
slowly we are spreading in the market.
Exactly. There's a
So
saying,
one of
yeah, you know, Asif, there's a saying, riches are in the niches. Okay, it's not everywhere. Riches are in the niches.
yes,
So that's
yes,
that's a
as
popular saying. Yeah, tell me.
yeah, as into since we are into kurtis manufacturer, and kurtis market is very large. It's
Yeah,
an oceans for Indian ethnic. As into that, if we have noticed that the denims kurtis are the new products which is launched in the market, so we focused on that, and we have we have made our food most of the places now in the market, Mumbai itself.
very good, very good. So I think Asif's business has made it more clearer for all of us to understand. See, he's just focusing on a particular type of dress and particular type of population. But if he focuses on everybody, say the dresses for the Westerners, maybe the saris for somebody else and all, then he's there is where, you know, the problem will be. He will not be able to make money, because people will get confused, what is this person selling, you know. So you need to make yourself very clear what you are actually doing. So is this clear, everybody? If it is clear, just type C in the chat box. Clear. So I know I can we can go to the next slide. Okay, good. Only one C so far, which is C.
Sir, one doubt.
Huh. Tell me what doubt.
Sir, actually, I have two things to mention. One
Huh.
thing, I want to help youth to get into their next level in confidence building and goal setting.
Yeah.
And another one thing is, I want to help students to study effectively by
Huh.
changing their belief systems and giving them the effective strategies to study.
Yeah.
So, which I want to pursue, sir. Now I'm thinking, firstly, within this year, I'm going to focus students, sir, so that I want to come to this social media as a student coach like that. What's it? What
Oh,
niche will be correct for me?
okay. You will get the answer. I won't tell you. You will get the answer as we go into this. Always
Okay,
focus
sir.
where the money is there. Okay. Follow where you ask yourself, where will I get more money? So that should be your answer actually. You should get the answer. Where is the money more? In which niche? You tell me.
Sir, I think nowadays students are feeling very much difficulty, so that I think that will be good because parents also willing to pay uh,
Ah,
to make their students very wise. Yes.
very good. Very good. Okay, Sonali and all, are you all clear or are you all confused? That also you can mention.
So
No,
Lena,
sir,
you
I'm
know
Sir,
your
what is the name I should mention, sir?
What?
Like study skills coach or study skills trainer will be okay.
I'll come back. I'll come to that. You just
Okay, sir.
now just try to get focus that you need to pick one niche and then you need to
Okay,
take
sir.
it forward. Okay?
Sir, actually, I thought to do videos for both youth and students, sir.
Okay.
At least for 1 week, I will be
Okay.
doing 2 videos for youth, and other 4 days will be for students. Like
Okay.
that, I thought. But motivational speeches will be common for everyone.
Okay.
Coming to training point, I will be focusing on students. I'm thinking like that. So, what would you say, sir? Any suggestions?
See, motivation is see where will you add more value? Where will you give more value to the students? Motivation or skill building?
Firstly, they want to feel motivated, no, sir. For that, I will be using podcast like that. Instead of
Exactly.
using music systems, they can use affirmations podcast like that, no, so that's why.
So that you can combine part of the training, no, but you need not mention that that you are doing motivation. That can be part of your training, but you need to be very clear about what is your end objective. What are the results do you want to get? That is very important. What are the results you're looking for the students? What are the results the students want from you? That is your niche. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now see these are the types of niches. One is money, a very important niche. Like even I'm in this niche itself. Starting an online business is connected to money only. Loans, investing, foreign exchange. Okay. Now in investing, you have to go into micro niche. Say for example, when you go for investing, what type of investments? Government securities, gold, mutual funds, bank deposits. So you have to go into you have to get narrow. Okay, so these are just niches, but when we select our business, we have to go to the micro niche. That is where we will make our money. Okay, so this is one example. This is one area, money. Second one is health and fitness. Okay, in health and fitness, you have weight loss, you have stress, you have muscle gain, and you have alternative medicine also. Okay, so health can be many things. It can be fitness, say gym trainers, instructors. That is one niche. Okay, weight muscle gain is a niche. Some people want just cardio. That is a niche. So you need to go into the depth of the niche. So there are actually only three niches. One is money, one is health, and one is, I'm just showing you, these are the main niches, and after that there are thousands. Another one is lifestyle niche. Here you go into relationships. Basically you will what is that, say marriage relationships. Okay, divorce. Okay, some people who have been raped, they go through a trauma, you want to help them out. So that is a niche also. Or sometimes there's troubled families, so that is also a niche. So there are different types of niches in among relationships also. They are called micro niches. Video games also, recreation, sports, music. So I'm sure you get the different type of niches that are there in the market. So just don't let's not go into micro niches. I will be covering it next week, and I will show you how to pick your own micro niche during this live training. But now try to get you know what the main thing that you need to get is that the market is divided into niches. The riches are in the niches. If you start teaching everything to people, nobody will come to you because they'll get confused. But if you are known probably like an English teacher, or you are known as a science teacher, or you are known probably as a video editing teacher, then it is very specific. So people will you will be able to target that audience, and that audience will also be attracted to you. So is this clear by now? Is it clear? You can add in the chat box. Got it. Write in the chat box. Got it. Niches. So let's see how many have got it. What are niches? Okay, Malini, very good. Shane, Eudora, very good. Sonali, Ratish, good. Who did not get it? Just write did not get it. Okay, Teja, very good. Good participation. Okay. Okay, now see, once you come across your niche, you need to build a landing page based on your niche. Now that landing page that will be on the computer will be according to your niche. Okay, so keep in mind. Now many times people are saying you need to have a website. Now what is the difference between a website and a landing page? Anyone in the audience? Asif can tell. Yes, I think he has websites. Asif, what's the difference between landing page and website?
Landing page basically what I believe is like the page where customer can visit and just go through with our profile, and they can know what exactly we are doing and in what we are. And when we talk about the website is specifically particular to presents your the business name, and if you are selling any kind of product that you can sell to that. So that is what I feel the
Yeah,
difference between.
yeah, you have given your business experience. That's why I ask you, because Asif has his website, and he's quite good in all this in this knowledge. Okay, build a landing page based on the niche. So how will you build a landing page based on your niche? First and foremost is, once you identify who are your people, try to understand one thing. I think this should be very clear. The people who subscribe to your YouTube channel, or the people who are friends with you on Facebook, or who are followers on Instagram, they are not your followers. Okay, they are actually followers of Facebook, they are followers of YouTube, and they are followers of Instagram. They are not your followers. What you need to do is, since they have got connected, you have to take them into your own list. How will you take them into your own list? Is by building a landing page based on your niche. So for that we find, suppose you have say Leila has about 600 followers on Instagram. So all these 600 are Instagram actually followers. They are not Leila's followers. But now Leila has to create a product or service for them, and then maybe out of these 600 people, say maybe 30-40 people will come into her list, and she has to get their contact details. When you say come into the list, is you have to get their contact details. You have to get either their email, or you have to get their phone number and their name. These are the three main things that you have to do in order to get them into your list. One thing you remember clearly, that people who are on YouTube connected, subscribers, Facebook friends, and Instagram followers, they are from Instagram. Okay, they are not from you. They are not actually with you, so you have to be very clear on that front. Okay, so now what you have to do is just build your social media following. Okay, increase the number of friends on Facebook, increase the number of followers on Instagram, because the more people you have, the more are going to come on your list or in your list. Okay, the more people are going to come, and you need to acquire a list of followers. Once these people come in your list, you should be able to have your own product, or you should recommend somebody else product to them. Say, I recommend that this product is very good, you can buy it, and I'll give you the link, and on the link your name is your this, what is that, ID is mentioned, so that the commissions come to you when you recommend somebody else's product. Or you can recommend only your product. I'm not going at the moment, I'm not into affiliate marketing. I only because I don't recommend somebody else's product, I will only recommend my own product. And I also want you all to do create your own product. Maybe you can recommend the other people's products later when your following is huge and you have a lot of people, then probably the companies will come get in touch with you, or probably you can join their affiliate programs, and then you can recommend their products or services and make money. Okay, so this is what is your strategy now. Don't change this strategy, don't go into website building. And I was talking to Asif on what is the difference between a landing page and a website. See, a landing page is just one page on the website, and a website there are 5 pages. Okay, now I'll just show you here. I'll just show you what is the difference between a landing page and a website. Okay, so let's see if I can go to Google.
Landing pages basically also is something like the customers arrived on the page from some other platform.
Yes, yeah.
Sir, here we can create a list of numbers also, numbers and emails. We can
Yes.
get that, sir.
Yes, you have to do it. That's what I'm on the landing page, that only I'm showing you now. So I'll just share the screen. 1 minute. Okay, Google is there. I'm sharing you the screen. Everybody can see the screen. Okay, now website is big, very big, all information is there. Suppose now, say for example, I'll show you my website, leroyferrand.com. okay, so now a lot of information is there, because if people want to find out more about you, they go to the website. Okay, now this is my website. Okay, basically I got 4 pages. The first one is get started here. Okay, and then it's about me, what I do. These are testimonials of people who have done training with me. This is what I teach. This is the appointment that they can set up with me, and these are my YouTube videos. Okay, this is the first page. Now, who is Leroy Ferrand? If they want to know more detail, we go to the next page. Who is Leroy Ferrand? Okay, this is my opt-in form. This is how I get email addresses, etc. So this is about me, so they can get some more information about me. Then if they want to know what I'm writing, then there is a blog here. Okay, so I'll just share with you. Okay, see, these are my blog. These are the articles I write free of charge. And here the last is the contact details. So much information is there on the website. So now if people want a lot of information, they can go to my website. They can, some of them send mails to me, some of them book directly a session with me. This is a website. Okay, so now I'll show you a landing page. What is a landing page? Okay, I also got a landing page, so I'll just take you there. So you have to build a landing page on this platform. It's called ConvertKit. It is free only up till 1000 of your subscribers. The moment you cross 1000, then they will charge you money. Okay, so but you, at the time being, till you reach 1000 you can be here, then later I will tell you how you can, you know, continue for free. So I'll log in into this. It is called an email autoresponder. Okay, so I'll just show you here. This is, see, this is a column landing pages and forms. Okay, now I got also a landing page. Now see here, this is the landing page that I recently constructed. Okay, Siesta landing page. I will show you how to do this page today, okay, in this training. So now this is my landing page, just one page about me, who Leroy Ferrand is, his school, and everything about him. And to collect people, I'm giving them this book, that is how to transition to the digital economy. This is the book I'm giving them free. Okay, so what people have to do, they have to just put in their name and their email address, then I will get it today. So what you all can do, I will share this 1 minute. I'll go to settings here, and we'll just, okay, I'll explain you this later.